In this video, we will be giving an overview of neon rays, a versatile ribbon thread that can be stitched on 18 or 13 count canvas. Because neon rays is a ribbon thread, it has two distinct sides that shine in the light. The shiny nature of neon rays makes it a great choice for stitching accents or adding a bit of realism to your canvas. This can be done in the form of glassware, windows, boots, instruments, water, and so much more. When you stitch with neon rays, we recommend that you make sure it is laying flat on your canvas and avoid twisting the thread. A laying tool would be useful for this technique. We know you will love the effect of stitching with neon rays, so why not try it today? We have neon rays in stock now at Needlepoint.com.